Welcome, I'm from the Xiaomi Redmi Note 9T, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM and SD card into this device. So before we get started, you want to grab one of these SIM eject tool. This comes provided normally with a device, so you can get it from there. And if you can find it, you can also use a paper clip, and it should work just as well. So if you have a cover on your phone, do take it off. And from there, you want to pop out the tray, which is located on the upper left side of the device, and simply push the pin in. The tray will pop out, and you have space on it for one or two SIM cards and one SD card. You can occupy one of each, assuming you're using just one of each like I am. There we go. And from there, pop it in to the phone. Now do it carefully, there's nothing really holding those cards in place, so they can just easily fall out. There we go. And you can already see that the SIM card is working because it's telling me to put in a pin for it. And once I confirm, you can unlock it. And additionally, the SD card is working as well, which you can see right here. So that is how we would insert both of them. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.